Hydrawise Wi-Fi controllers save water and protect your landscape. Industry-leading Hydrawise technology from Hunter Industries gives you the most complete and powerful Wi-Fi irrigation control solution on the market. With Hydrawise, your yard gets watered only when it's needed and never when it's not. The software automatically adjusts your irrigation schedule using real-time internet-sourced data based on your local weather, and it even turns off irrigation if it's forecast to rain. In fact, with a Hydrawise system, you can save up to 50% more water compared to a traditional irrigation controller. Hydrawise is the only Wi-Fi-based irrigation system that instantly alerts you of broken pipes or faulty valve wires before costly landscape damage occurs. Simply put, Hydrawise protects your home by working for you 24/7 to prevent hidden catastrophes, and will definitely save you money as well. You can quickly and easily control your Hydrawise irrigation system with a simple app for iOS and Android devices, and you can also access the system with a convenient website portal. To make your life easier, Hydrawise integrates with your existing smart home system using voice commands through Amazon Alexa. If you prefer, you can give your contractor the ability to remotely monitor your system for the most comprehensive water management solution available. Hydrawise technology is compatible with a range of Hunter controllers depending on the needs of your home, or in many cases, you can even retrofit your existing controller. There is no better time to modernize your home's irrigation system, and there's no better solution to monitor and protect your landscape than the Hydrawise system. Make sure you choose a Hunter Hydrawise controller for maximum water savings and landscape protection. Learn more at hydrawise.com.